another one that we have here is I want to call it REvil. They were a hacker group, and they did the one on Acer.
Yep.
And this is a company you and I should know.
Yep. Acer computers. I remember back in the day, it was you bought a desktop system, you either bought an HP, a
Hmm.
Compaq,
Hmm.
or you bought an Acer or a Gateway. Those were like the four desktop computer companies well known back then. Back in the day when I was a little kid.
Back in the day, right? And this was another one where Acer, that REvil actually targeted a vulnerability in Microsoft Exchange, and they got access to their files and leaked images of sensitive financial documents and spreadsheets.
Yep.
So it's
And the crazy thing is the ransom that they asked for this one, I think it was something like $50 million.
$50 million. They're thinking, oh, Acer, they got it in the hole. They Acered in the hole. No, no,
No.
that wasn't any good. But
And but we don't know though, did they actually pay out the ransom?
it doesn't say. It's interesting to see Acer in the news as a victim. Literally, the last time I thought about Acer, you were right. They used to be the big deal,
Yeah.
but they haven't really been the big deal. The last time I remember thinking about Acer much was when I got notified that I was part of a class action lawsuit that they had been putting like used parts inside new
Oh,
computers.
so the next one is JBS Foods, which I think I recall this one as well. It was like a meat processing company that's like worldwide. And I think that it was, what was it? That they were worried about food shortages because of this attack, because being a high profile meat company and processing plant, people always worry about toilet paper and food. And
Right.
so I think the ransom for this one was $11 million, and it was the exact same ransomware group, REvil,
REvil.
that you talked about before, but they were also around this. And it looks like they actually did do the payment,
Yep.
and it is one of the largest payments of all time. So it looks like the Acer one, they did not pay out, but it looks
Right.
like JBS did pay out.
I do remember being worried about that. May have been a just more
The
general.
run
I
on
remember
food,
worried about meat shortages.
especially knowing you and your barbecue, Curtis.
Yeah, yeah. I was concerned about. I probably went and bought 3 briskets or something.
Yeah. But it is one of those things. It's like we saw it with the Colonial Pipeline attack as well. Consumers panicked. A lot of these things consumers aren't even aware of because they're like, yeah, it's just another large company until it actually hits them in their daily lives.